Hi, good morning. Time for breakfast.
Yeah, so for breakfast you have like luncheon meat, chicken, and then rice, and you
And
have banana
turon.
ketchup and also turon. So magkakamay ako. Ito try. Would you like to try? Take
this
your
one.
hand. Yeah. Ano?
Good.
Good. Yeah, you can use the banana ketchup
Okay.
for the sauce.
Just a little bit.
Yeah, and then you could use that for the luncheon meat. How is it?
Tastes like normal ketchup. Good.